Want to learn how you can start your own home business absolutely free? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start a home business today with the company called Genusity. Now, Genusity, if you've not been following my channel, you would know Genusity is a company I've been a part of for well over a year now. They are a network marketing and affiliate marketing company that will allow you to create your own passive residual income that can pay you month after month after month. All right, so it's very simple, guys. Like, all you need to do to get started is just join. And the cool thing about it is, unlike a lot of other business opportunities, home business opportunities, even network marketing opportunities, a lot of times you need a lot of money up front to start getting involved with the company and actually start making money with the company. But with Genusity, they allow you to actually start as a free member of Genusity, and you can actually start earning small commissions and getting going, with your business. Now, don't be fooled by the word free, because a lot of times people connect free with, like, I don't have to do anything, or I don't ever want to invest in that. And that's not what Genusity, the company, is about. Some people really are strapped for cash and they can't get started with stuff, but they have that determination, they had a desire to make money and make big money, right? So Genusity allows you to do that by joining as a free member. Now, when you are a free member, you will have the opportunity to upgrade your Genusity membership. This will allow you to earn a lot more money from the company. Now, if you can upgrade, I would highly suggest it, because it's not a lot of money at all to get started with Genusity as a premium member. All it is $39.95 a month. That's it. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's not free. Yes, you can start for free, right? But you'll be limited, with what you get, which is fine, because it's still a home business, and if you grind, you still can make money as a free member. But let me just give you a little bit of information that will help you decide if Genusity is for you as a home business free member or paid member. What makes Genusity so sweet is the products. Like, if you got a home business and you got products that aren't good, and you got products that people don't want, then most likely you're not gonna make money with whatever company you're with. That's just a fact, right? Genusity has products that are in super popular niches, products that are easy to promote, easy to sell, and easy to earn with. So their flagship product, especially when I joined Genusity, was they call it Radius Targeted Marketing. This is for advertisers. So if you know anybody who needs any sort of marketing, advertising, or branding, we have products for them, right? So I think I got it. Oh, I got my keys. One of their products, they call it a BB Sport. This right here, I carry it on me to actually use it. See this right here? That right there, this is a Radius Targeted Marketing beacon. All right, anywhere I go, I'm actually advertising up to a 50-mile radius online, and a 300 feet radius for anybody that has certain apps on their cell phone. So this is 24/7 marketing that I get with this, right? The cool thing is, this is so easy to promote to businesses, to realtors, to plumbers, to electricians. Who's calling me? Alright, I had to take that. That's my girl, whatever. But so anyway, this is good for anybody who needs marketing, restaurants, you name it. you can actually promote these, and we have different devices. We have this one's a smaller one. We have bigger ones that can go into offices or, like I said, restaurants, gyms, any of that. This is radius targeted marketing, guys. This is so easy to sell, and this is one of the main things I'm focusing on, selling these to small businesses as a way to get a foot in the door. So this is easy. You can literally build a business just off of these. All right, so that's that. Now, another product that they have at Genusity that you can build your entire home business off of is CBD products. If you're not familiar with CBD, you can look it up when you join, when you look at information for Genusity, or you could just YouTube CBD products or CBD benefits. We have some of the best products out there right now. We have the CBD nano patch that actually goes on people's skin. It helps with pain relief, can potentially help with pain relief. You know, you gotta say that these days, but CBD is powerful. But we got the patch, we got the oils, and we just came out with the face cream to help you look younger, right? So we in the CBD industry, and that is a $1 billion industry, and it's just getting more and more popular. We also are in the beauty niche. So if you're a woman, or you don't gotta be a woman, but if you're looking for beauty products to promote, we just came out with Gen Lash, which is the magnetic eyelashes, which is super popular right now. And you can actually get started with selling these as well and make a great commissions with these. Another product just came out today as I'm making this video is we got a new product out to help you save on your electric bill. So it actually saves power. It actually cuts your electric bill, your power bill, actually reduces the cost of it, guys. So you can promote and build a home business just off of this energy saving product. You can build a home business just off of the beauty products. Build a home business off of the CBD, or you could build a home business strictly off of the advertising radius marketing beacons that we have, guys. So this is why, if you're trying to start a home business and you're serious, like Genusity is like the only answer. I don't want to say only answer, but Genusity has everything you need to get started with a home business. And to be honest with you, yes, the name of the video is how to start a home business free, which you can do. But guys, $39.95 a month, it allows you to be able to promote all of these products or any of these products, right? Earn nice commissions on it, recurring commissions, and also it allows you to build a team. Once you pay this $39.95 a month, basically you'll be running a home business for $40 a month, right? Think about that. A home business for $40 a month. You can have the ability to earn thousands of dollars a month, right? From this opportunity. So, I mean, there's other companies out there. If you're watching this video and you're like, yeah, blah, 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 and move on to the next video, that's great. But if you're serious, you definitely want to, check out Genusity. Another thing, why Genusity is, I'm involved with it, is because the payout, the opportunity, and the income streams you can create with Genusity are incredible. You won't just get paid just off of commissions from selling products. You can get paid from a team, building a team underneath you. You get paid for their efforts. Not only that, we have a system in place that you can get paid from everyone that's a part of Genusity, not just your team. You actually get paid from everybody's effort, guys. So this is like in the industry they say a no-brainer situation, but it just makes sense. A third reason why Genusity for a home business is the community that's involved with it. The guys who actually run the company, Tim and Randy, guys are real cool. I've talked to Randy before, like via like message and stuff like that. These guys are very accessible, very smart, and they've been in the game forever, so they know what they're talking about. But everybody involved with the company is like very friendly. It's more like a a family type vibe, because once you become a member of Genusity, you actually get invited to a Facebook private group for only Genusity members, and you can ask questions and you can get advice, you can get training material, flyers, email swipes, you name it. We have it in our Facebook group. It's just real fun, laid back, very helpful, guys. So if you're serious, now if you're watching this and you ain't really serious, I mean, then this ain't, don't do it. But if you want to join the Genusity team and start your own home business and build a home business, right? Join Genusity. Check it out. Link below, guys. You'll actually be able to join the power line. It's absolutely free. You can get started. Just put your name. Name in, and then you'll be able to take into a page where you'll be able to see a video and kind of get more information about how you can start earning money, all right, even as a free member and a paid member. But I mean, this is what I'm doing. One of the things that I'm doing, I'm sticking with it. It's fun. If you got any questions, comment below, or you can actually give me a call, because my number is in the description of this video. You just got to click more info. You'll see it. So you can call me if you got any questions, or shoot me a text, and I'll try to help you out. But once again, only call me if you're serious, if you're trying to work and get real money. All right. So, it's a long video. Be sure to comment, subscribe to this channel, because I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1. If you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2. If you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.